Hey, how you going, folks? Just bought this Stihl Hedge trimmer, and I'll show you later. And yeah, we've looked around, looked at Bunnings, and I like they range between 100 for cheap as Zito to a $300 machine. And I actually found this Stihl HSA 45 battery chargeable, $179, a 2-year warranty. Like I said, I looked at a few the other day, and yeah, this is an unboxing of our soon-to-be a hedge trimmer for our front garden. So, you know, it's got a 500mm cutting bar. What else can I say? Yeah, 2-year warranty. Anyway, let's open her up and have a look. Suspense is killing me. I bought this a couple of days ago and I wanted to do a couple of boxing. So this is a charger. I think I said it takes about 10 hours to charge and a 45-minute. Oh no, I'll look at that. So let's look. I'll leave the description where specs and all that below. 18 volt, 2.4 kilo, 500mm cutting blade, 24mm 2 spacing, 14.6 volt, and how long does it take to charge? Disposable, battery, 18 volt. I think by memory, let's see, plenty of warnings in here. Fully charge, safety key, switching off, built-in battery, I think 4 hours, I think, and 45-minute runtime. Alright, without further ado, let's get into it. That's that. Protective blade. So this is it here. Quite a little nifty machine. Like I said, I looked at a few. Here's a key. Goes on the side. Child resistant. So you plug that in there. Activate it and pull it out when you're not using it. So yeah, without that, like you can't. LED battery light. So you got one on it. Protective sheath. Went in storage. Actually quite a little machine. And I'll give you a quick demo. Oh, not a quick demo. Plenty of safety features on this. Yep. Pull the handle in, lift that up, push it back in, and as you can see, looking forward to charging this. And yeah, quite a little nifty machine. Pull the key out so she won't go. And yeah, just trying to see. What's the box say? Apart from read instructions. I'll have a quick look at this. This is just normal troubleshooting, what not to do, what to do, symbols. Like I said, I've looked at a few hedge trimmers and actually found this to be sexy, as one might say. Inserting, removing, activation key, which is that one. Charging, Doesn't say long, just plugs in the wall to charge, and I think my memory, repairing, maintenance, cleaning, specifications, LED, specifications, charging cable. Yeah, I can't remember off my memory. We'll be testing this later on outside, so yeah, this is a Stihl HSA 45 hedge trimmer. Quite nice little machine, as you see. 500cm blade. Looking forward to testing this out. And as you can see, the blades are pretty sharp. That's a beautiful little machine. How much charge is in it? Only one line that will charge this. Yeah, beautiful machine. Alright, and yeah, stay tuned. I'll take her outside and give her a run for the money.
I think that's too much. Wow. Tap bit B, last little bit. That's enough.